Stop buying mops that leave mess behind. The O-Cedar Microfiber Cloth Mop is the dependable default. Switch if bucket storage is the deal breaker. Choose around pickup, upkeep, storage, and wringing. For most homes, I'd buy the O-Cedar Microfiber Cloth Mop. It's light, uncomplicated, and capable of handling kitchen spills, bathroom floors, and routine cleaning. The washable head keeps ongoing costs reasonable, while the cloth design gives you solid pickup and scrubbing. But you'll need a separate bucket and some way to wring it. The telescoping handle may also resist adjustment when over-tightened. Skip it if you want wringing built into the mop. Pair the cloth mop with the O-Cedar Quick Wring Bucket. Its removable, mechanism-free wringer handles the squeezing, while the rectangular bucket is easier to carry, pour, and tuck away than bulkier round designs. It can also serve other household jobs. You'll still need storage space, and there aren't volume markings for mixing solutions. For homes without bucket space, choose the Libman Wonder Mop. Its twist wringer lets you rinse and squeeze the mop at a sink, reducing the gear you need to store. That makes it sensible for apartments and other tight spaces. The trade-off is cleaning power. It won't match the O-Cedar Cloth Mop on demanding messes, and its loose microfiber strips may tangle. Skip it if large spills and stronger scrubbing matter most. For easier pad rinsing, consider the Libman Rinse In-Ring Microfiber Flat Mop. Its dedicated bucket separates rinsing and wringing, so grime comes off the microfiber pad between passes. The flathead also suits homes that value easy maneuvering around furniture. However, the system needs more closet room, and the shorter handle may feel awkward if you're tall. Skip it if storage is tight, or you want a bucket useful for other chores. Quick split. O-Cedar handles most homes. Choose the Wonder Mop when bucket storage is impossible, or rinse and wring for easier pad cleaning. Add the Quick Wring Bucket to complete the cloth mop setup. Before buying, check your closet space, nearest rinsing sink, preferred wringing method, handle comfort, and whether the bucket must serve other chores. Start with the O-Cedar Cloth Mop for the strongest all-around value. Switch to the Wonder Mop if storage wins, or the Flat Mop if easy pad rinsing matters more. Add the Quick Wring Bucket for simpler upkeep. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.